Once you've completed dental school, and let's take the assumption that you've gone ahead and taken on this $200,000 loan while you're in dental school, and you fully exhausted it, and now you have a liability with the bank. The typical trajectory of a dental student coming out of university is that they're going to obtain an associateship position at a dental office, and they'll now start generating some income. Now, what the financial institutions generally will do is they'll sort of revisit the existing situation of the dental student and start sort of monitoring their repayment of that $200,000 loan. They will, as I said earlier, generally give some reprieve of about 1 year um, before they require any form of repayment. Now, if you're a dental student who's studying at, let's say, University of Western Ontario, and you've taken an associateship position in somewhere in Toronto, for example, and you still need financing for your day-to-day living expenses, maybe a car, or maybe some other practice management type courses that you want to take, or professional development, and you don't have access to capital, there is a financing solution available through the financial institutions where they will give you an unsecured line of credit for maybe an additional, let's say, $30,000, also unsecured. Now, the criteria to be eligible for such a financing is depending on a case-by-case basis, and you'll have to demonstrate to the financial institution that you do have adequate that you've secured a position at a dental office, and that your projected income for the next year is adequate for you to finance the repayment of the original $200,000 student loan, as well as any other obligations that you would have on the new credit facility, such as a car lease.
Okay, great, Atul. And just for those who don't know the difference between a secured and an unsecured line of credit, I'll answer that one. If it's secured, it basically means you've given some type of security or collateral to the financial institution, and you've given them a promise that if you fail to repay the loan, they can seize this. Okay, so if it's not secured, if you've taken a loan of, let's say, 30,000 and it's not secured, that means the bank hasn't taken, let's say, your car or your house as security, which they can seize on if you ever default.